We know this is an absolute catastrophe for children and families across Myanmar. Many homes have been destroyed, road and bridge damaged. Many children and families are still missing and traumatized. We need urgent assistance, especially for the children, who often suffer the most in these kinds of situations.
It's early morning and I'm here at the UNICEF Global Supply Hub in Copenhagen, where the team is busy packing and preparing life-saving supplies to send to Myanmar for the children and the families affected by the devastating earthquake.